Well, hello, my spooky friends. Thank you for joining me. It's always great to see you. I hope you're having a fantastic week. In this video, I'm doing a Bloody Prom Queen with a little bit more bling, and I hope you enjoy it. Are you a fan of the original or the remake? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you can have more fun, affordable makeup. Let's just go ahead and get to it. To begin, I'm taking some green eyeshadow and I'm buffing that into the transition color. So that is a green up under the eyebrow bone, and going into the crease for this look is going to be a cut crease glamorous eyeshadow. Taking some blue, and how I find my colors is I put that on my finger and I compare that to the transition color. And picking a blue, I go into the crease line and I darken that up, and I carry that over into the outer corner of the eye. With a darker blue, I go in and get this darker into the crease and push that all the way to the inner corner. And taking green, I buff out any harsh lines above in the transition shade. The reason for the blue I picked because I wanted to keep the makeup in the cool toned area so that the bright blood shows up even better for this look. Now for a cut crease, I am using a flat rounded tip brush and dipping that into some concealer, and I open my eye and I look to see where the fold is in my hooded eye, and I go slightly just above that, and with one stroke I pull that color down the concealer and I make a natural shaped cut crease according to the shape of my eye. I powder that in, get it locked into place, and I go in for some contour. I buff out my contour later at the very end when I do my makeup to get rid of those harsh lines, but I go in and I contour the nose, making it very skinny. You can change your nose by contour, by light and shadow. It's pretty easy to do. Just use a smaller brush and go from the eyebrow end at the corner and all the way down to the tip of the nose. Bringing in some highlight of a nice soft bone color that will push the features of the face forward. And it also contours next to that shadow, chiseling it out a bit more. Going in with a light green into the waterline, a light color is going to brighten up and make the eyes open, and I carried a darker blue on the eyelash lid halfway through to the middle of the eye. Going in with my Plush Blush from Shop Miss A, keeping it in the cool tone, I put that out onto the cheek, getting that swiped all the way up to the hairline for a dramatic look. And going in with some highlighter over the cupid's bow, the top of the cheeks, and the tip of the nose, and the bridge of the nose. And on my finger, I pick a little bit of a shimmer silver bluish tone, and I push that all over the cut crease. And with some mascara, I go in and I place that in. I like mascara to be in before I put my eyelashes on. And with a little bit of glue, this is also from Shop Miss A. This brush is fantastic. It's very easy to control. I pick up my gems, or here I at least try to, and I put on the inner corner, right where that cut crease begins. I use green, and then I use a blue. I will have links to the Shop Miss A products that I'm using in this video. Shop Miss A comes out of Texas, and it's the dollar store of makeup. So if you are looking to experiment and practice with makeup and you don't want to spend a lot of money, they also offer several times $1 shipping. It's a great place with good products, so please check that out. It also helps support my channel, and it is greatly appreciated if you click on my links in order to do that. For the outside of the under eye, I go in with the opposite color from the inner corner, so I'm placing a blue first with super glue. Even though these gems are self-adhesive, I just like the extra security. And then I also go in and place a green one next to the blue. I pop in some shimmer into the inner corner using the natural oils from my finger to give it a bit more pop. Because this is Halloween, we're going to glam it up, and who wants to be a beige Becky? The eyelashes I'm using today are Alexis from Shop Miss A. They are a thin, flexible band, very easy to use. I pop that into the center, I push to the inner corner, and then I adjust the outside of the lash. To finish this look, I'm using a neutral lip color, so all the emphasis is to the eyes leading up to the crown. Here is the final look for the makeup and for the blood today. For this bloody prom queen, I use Spirit Halloween's Gel Blood. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. And if you'd like to see sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, or vote on my next look, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Those links are below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.